Hello everyone. So this is supposed to be like a vlog or whatever it is. It's just my journey to Osogbo. Um yeah, so I'll be putting my voice in between the videos. But in the meantime, just enjoy everything. Let me know if you like it. Can subscribe, can share. Currently I'm just leaving Lagos, so it's about start now. So enjoy. So, but now we are in Lagos Ibadan Expressway, if I'm to guess. I think my grandfather my and his brother, yeah, they are discussing. So right now I'm actually just tired, and at the same time I'm trying to enjoy everything, taking some of the moments. Yeah, like that's some of the things that's going on. And right now, there is now I'm just thinking about the fact that I haven't really traveled out of Lagos in a while, and it's probably like 6 years now. This is like the first time in a very long time that I actually traveled out of Lagos, and just some of the shots that I took. At least it shouldn't be like it's not memorable. Last time I traveled out of Lagos, I don't think I have a phone that time. Though I've had phones, but I don't think like I had the brain to do vlog because I didn't start all this YouTube thing very early. So yeah, just enjoy some of the shots, enjoy the video, and we're gonna talk later. Seriously, I want to say it. My last day people chop street food. This remind me like while going on this journey, I was a bit scared because of the security state of Nigeria, but I think some things like this was something that made me enjoy it and at least feel safe. So yeah. Let's say you're an introvert like myself. I think these are some of the things I should be doing. Going out one day and seeing life outside your screen. There's something outside. Go out, enjoy life, do it. So by now I'm already in Osun, and one of the things that I noticed earlier on was that some houses were just small, small, small. And surprisingly, I saw tall houses, and it's kind of interesting to see tall houses in this state because a lot of people would think that everywhere is just like villages, but they're actually tall buildings, they're actually modernized places. So sometimes when you say you're going to your state, you're not actually going to a village, you're just going somewhere. It's interesting.
Okay, okay. Aha. Okay, now what is it? That's it. Don't sleep on the trees.
Well, the video is coming to an end, and I'm sorry that I can't give you that vlog style you're used to, but at least this is something that just a compilation of some of the videos and pictures that I took. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.